welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Welcome to Lash Back Here. Hello, welcome back to Lash Back Here. This will be a very quick tutorial. The only two products I used were Creme of Nature Argan Oil and Don't Shriek by Auntie Jackie. I always want to oil my ends and just run it through my hair so I can give it a glossy finish once I'm done with the unwrapping. You want to start from the very tips and just start to unravel the twist. Go in the opposite polar direction and just start untwisting. Okay, so this is the final look. This was my very short tutorial. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button because I will be launching my website, lashbackhere.myshopify.com. Link will be in the description box. See you guys later.